all it is a letters. Why am I in my own way?
Dito kami ngayon. Saan tayo? Manood ng fireworks pala. Happy 4th of July! May kasama kami bata. Ito pala sila, si Kutsilyo. ito yung kumanta ng Kutsilyo.
Number one hits.
Pero hindi pa namin nirelease.
Hindi ma-release. Hindi ma-release ng singer.
I need my lawyer.
My lawyers.
Hindi ma-release namin. Ito yun. Sisikat
Preview.
Wala.
Bibigyan ng ano no.
You gotta wait till next
sample.
week.
Pero
Sample.
Next week.
Yung chorus
Next
lang.
week.
Kahit chorus
I
lang.
don't know. It's too much. It's too much.
Go broke
Too much
mo.
for
Baka
you.
daw maging celebrity siya eh.
Too much for you to handle.
Oh, shit. Too much to
Such a
handle.
great hit. Too much for you to handle.
Ayan.
Sumabog.
Baka sumama.
Baka magka-World War III
Sino?
pag kinanta yun.
Pag-aawayan yan.
Okay guys. Kita-kits na lang. Bye!
Diba?
Ay, sabi mo.
Haba.
Guys! Ayan, malinaw na sila. Hi vlog! Say hi vlog! Hi vlog, look ah. Ito na kami doon. Walking. See you guys. Ito wala sa itong isa wala sa mood kasi hindi na ano sa concert. Wala sa samot kasi sa concert. Wala parking eh. Ayun. Stress relief. Bye. Nakita ng fireworks. Ay, fireworks. Yung concert.
Mali pa yung script.
Mali yung